Singular and plural. Boy, boys. Girl, girls. Room, rooms. Door, doors. Chair, chairs. Book, books. Pen, pens. Dog, dogs. Rose, roses. Tree, trees. Crow, crows. Goat, goats. Cow, cows. Horse, horses. Cat, cats. Brush, brushes. Dish, dishes. Bush, bushes. Watch, watches. Bench, benches. Gas, gases. Ass, asses. Box, boxes. Fox, foxes. Lady, ladies. Baby, babies. Copy, copies. Fairy, fairies. Body, bodies. Fly, flies. Monkey, monkeys. Donkey, donkeys. Key, keys. Toy, toys. Thief, thieves. Leaf, leaves. Wolf, wolves. Wife, wives. Knife, knives. Mango, mangoes. Potato, potatoes. Buffalo, buffaloes. Tomato, tomatoes. Mosquito, mosquitoes. Ox, oxen. Child, children. Brother, brethren. Man, men. Woman, women. Foot, feet. Mouse, mice. Louse, lice. Goose, geese. Tooth, tease.
Now children, let's do the word as firm as a rock, as free as air, as fresh as a rose, as gentle as a lamb, as greedy as a dog, as green as grass, as happy as king, as hard as stone, as innocent as a child, as light as a feather, as low as the sea, as round as a ball, as sharp as a razor, as slow as a tortoise, as soft as butter, as sour as vinegar, as still as death, as stupid as an ass, as sure as death, as sweet as honey, as tall as a giraffe, as white as milk, as hot as fire, as red as blood, as sharp as a needle, as wise as Solomon. Now, here are some pair of words: men and woman, boys and girls, sons and daughters, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, chairs and tables, needle and thread, schools and colleges, friends and enemies, east and west, north and south, ups and downs, joys and sorrows, bread and butter, sour and sweet, heaven and hell, earth and sky, stars and moon, neat and clean, old and young. Now, befitting words. A liter of petrol, a pair of shoes, a piece of cloth, a cup of tea, a bucket of apples, a bunch of flowers, a board of directors, a bench of magistrates, a band of musicians, a set of 5 volumes, a row of houses, a cake of soap, A bundle of sticks. A piece of paper. A can of jam. A bag of sugar. A glass of water. A pair of trousers.